At CES 2026, Boston Dynamics' new electric Atlas humanoid begins production now, ready for Hyundai factories. The robots are already here. That's not a line from a movie, it's a fact. Today, right now. At the Consumer Electronics Show, CES, Boston Dynamics just pulled the curtain back on the new electric Atlas. This isn't some far-off dream or a clunky prototype wobbling in a lab. Production is starting immediately. These machines are being built right now, and they are heading straight for the factory floor. This is the moment science fiction crashes into reality, and it is happening much faster than anyone expected. It's a huge surprise, a genuine shock to the system that redefines what's possible for manufacturing in 2026. So, what exactly is a humanoid robot? Let's break it down simply. It is a machine designed to look and move like a human being. 2 legs for walking, 2 arms for reaching and lifting, a torso that can twist and bend. The whole point is to operate in spaces built for people. It can navigate hallways, climb stairs, use the same tools a person would. It integrates into factories and warehouses without redesigns. Atlas is the peak of this idea, a machine made in our image to work alongside us. The first time you see it move, it's uncanny. At its public debut, Atlas picked itself up off the floor with a fluid, almost human-like motion. It walked with a natural stride showing incredible balance and control. It turned its head, swiveling it around like an owl to survey the crowd, and even gave a little wave. This isn't just for show. This mobility navigates real factory chaos. It can step over obstacles, maintain its balance if bumped, move with agility once unthinkable at this size and power. The announcement at CES 2026 wasn't just a demonstration, it was a declaration. Boston Dynamics confirmed that the first production models are already spoken for. Fleets ship in the coming months to 2 major partners. Hyundai will integrate them in advanced manufacturing with phased deployment. Let's talk specs, because the numbers behind Atlas are staggering. 6 feet 2 inches tall, 198 pounds, a commanding presence, but the real magic is in its movement. 56 degrees of freedom, 56 different joints giving astonishing flexibility. Many joints in the arms rotate 360 degrees. Many joints in the torso rotate 360 degrees. That lets it reach and grasp from almost any angle. Game changer for tight spaces. Built for power and endurance on the factory line. Strength to lift up to 110 pounds. Ideal for handling heavy automotive parts or loading materials. Reach extends to 7.5 feet. Access high shelves and deep bins. Runs on a swappable battery for about 4 hours. When low, it autonomously navigates to a charging station. Swaps its depleted battery for a fresh one, gets right back to work. Engineered for harsh factory conditions. IP or ingress protection, 67. Completely sealed against dust, can be submerged in water. Operates from -4 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Reliable indoors or out, hot or cold. A true industrial athlete. Strength, agility, durability, full body spin to grab something behind it. Brace with one arm while lifting with the other, not just moving boxes, a dynamic platform for nuanced tasks. First deployments in 2026 go to Hyundai's Robotics MetaPlant Application Center, RMAC, and Google DeepMind. Full factory deployments at Hyundai begin in 2028, scaling tasks through 2030. Height, strength, 56 degrees of freedom, IP67, swappable 4-hour battery, all built for real work. And the secret sauce? The brain. Artificial intelligence, or AI, takes it from strong to unstoppable. EV stands for electric vehicle, and Atlas is built to help build them. A powerful body is nothing without a brilliant mind, and this is where electric Atlas truly shines. The most significant breakthrough is how it learns. Forget tedious line-by-line coding for every single movement. Engineers can now train Atlas simply by showing it a video. A human worker performs a task. It's recorded. The robot's advanced software analyzes the motion, Atlas uses this visual data to understand the objective. It practices in simulation, then attempts it in the real world. This video-to-action learning slashes programming time and makes Atlas highly adaptable. Powered by a landmark partnership with Google DeepMind. DeepMind is integrating Gemini robotics foundation models into Atlas. That gives the robot advanced reasoning and problem-solving, not just mimicking, understanding the goal. If an obstacle appears, the AI devises a new plan on the fly. Atlas gets smarter with every task, learning and sharing knowledge across the fleet. First, real-world application. Hyundai's electric vehicle factories. Boston Dynamics and Hyundai are deploying in phases. Initially, Atlas handles simpler, repetitive tasks, arranging parts in order for assembly, transporting components between stations. This helps humans and robots adapt in a live environment, safely. As reliability grows and AI learns, task complexity increases. Goal: complex component assembly by 2030. Imagine a robot reaching into an engine bay with a power tool, fastening bolts with perfect precision and torque. This is the future Hyundai is building. Deployment at Hyundai's RMAC creates a feedback loop. Factory challenges make the AI smarter, and smarter AI unlocks new robot capabilities. The arrival of Electric Atlas heralds a new industrial revolution. The promise for factories is enormous. Faster production, a safer workplace, smarter manufacturing processes. With robots handling the strenuous tasks, repetitive tasks, often dangerous tasks, human workers are liberated. People can move into roles that require critical thinking, creativity, complex problem-solving, skills that machines can't replicate. This shift doesn't just increase efficiency, it elevates the nature of human work. Factories can run longer with fewer errors and less downtime, ultimately boosting productivity on a massive scale. Of course, this rapid change raises important questions. The prospect of robots joining the workforce will transform the job market. We must consider how companies will retrain their employees and upskill them to collaborate with these new robotic partners. The goal is not to replace people, but to augment their abilities. A human supervisor could oversee a team of Atlas robots, managing their tasks and intervening when a higher level of judgment is required. This human-robot collaboration is the key to unlocking the full potential of this technology while ensuring a just transition for the workforce. Boston Dynamics is moving at an incredible pace to meet the demand. All Atlas deployments for 2026 are already fully committed, showing immense industry excitement. To scale up, the company is starting production immediately at its Boston headquarters. Furthermore, Hyundai is investing heavily in this future, with plans to build a dedicated factory in the U.S., capable of producing 30,000 humanoid robots per year by 2028. This isn't a small-scale experiment. It is a full-blown industrial ramp-up, signaling that humanoid robots are set to become a common sight in manufacturing very soon. This is a turning point in history. Humanoid robots are no longer confined to research papers and flashy demo videos. They are strong, smart, and durable enough for real-world jobs. With the ability to learn from video and powered by world-class AI, they are ready to step onto the factory floor. The rollout at Hyundai, backed by the intelligence of Google DeepMind and a massive production plan, confirms it. We are witnessing the birth of a new kind of workforce, one that will reshape our world in ways we are just beginning to imagine. Robots join the workforce. Subscribe to Epic Wisdom Bites for more robotic revolutions.